So here's how far that water's backed up. Underneath the deck, it's up against, it's within a couple feet of the foundation. This morning, when I came out here, there was water. You can see we're kind of breaking through stuff here. But you can see where I walked earlier is now kind of slushy frozen. There's water backed all the way up to here. Now, this is on the far south side of my house. That drained off enough, it's kind of slushy frozen now. But the concern here is that right next to me, right here, is my septic. Water's backing up across my entire lot. And draining through here. So we're trying to clear this out a little so that it has a place to go. And I guess, cross our fingers, it doesn't come in the basement.